The real reason why cryptocurrency continues to go up is as follows. Number one, MicroStrategy buys $37 million in Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 190,000 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy snapped up another 850 Bitcoin in January, increasing its total Bitcoin holdings to a value of 8.1 billion. MicroStrategy now holds just short of 1% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist. Combine this with Michael Saylor's personal holdings. Michael Saylor owns over 1% of all Bitcoin. He truly believes in it and he's taking the risk. This is why he bought more.
Give me an example of something you can own $100 million of, where you can take personal custody of it and where you can actually move it anywhere on earth, and where even if I hold a gun to your head, I can't take it from you. And the only thing we've ever figured out that you can do that with is Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin is like, it keeps everybody honest. The optionality to do this means that all you got to do is find one bank in Singapore that'll treat you better than the bank in New York or London or Tokyo, and then you can move it in a half an hour for $5. And what happens next? The bank in New York thinks, well, I guess we can't screw these guys over, because they'll just move it to Singapore. And the guys in California say, well, I can't just tax all the Bitcoin in California. It'll move to Wyoming. It'll move to Singapore. It'll move to Malta. And at the end of the day, you can tell everybody go fuck themselves. You can put it in your head, memorize the freaking key, right? And it's here. And then, the classic Bitcoiner response is, oh, yeah, my Bitcoin, I lost it in a boating accident. You ever heard that phrase? It's kind of a trope, but what it means is, at the end of the day, if you push me too far, I lost it. It's gone. Sorry.
You're right.
Tax that.
In addition, the price of Ethereum is on the move as ARK Invest and 21 Shares amend their spot Ethereum ETF application to allow for cash creations. This is a similar to move and just what we saw happen with the spot Bitcoin ETF applicants just prior to those funds winning regulatory approval. This is my prediction for the next 70 or 80 days. Real quick, my friends, cryptocurrency taxes do not have to be scary. Pay your taxes, and you can get your taxes done in minutes through our partner, CoinLedger. Use our link below to create a free account and get your crypto taxes done. This is the TurboTax of crypto. I've used this. This is completely free to use. You do not pay upfront. You only pay at the end when you want to download your tax report. It's so easy to use. You get your crypto taxes done in minutes. All you do is connect your wallet to CoinLedger. CoinLedger automatically calculates your gains, your losses, your income in your home fiat currency for free. So you track your gains, your losses, your income for free with this software. If you use our link below, you only pay at the end if and when you want to download your tax report. Again, you must use our affiliate link to get all perks. Make sure you use our link below. These guys are like the TurboTax of crypto, but they're also trusted by regular TurboTax in that CoinLedger tax reports can be easily and simply imported into your TurboTax or TaxAct or whatever tax software you use. I've used this service before. CoinLedger Crypto Tax Service works. You will not stress over your crypto taxes if you use this. Make sure that you use our affiliate link below so that you're able to set up a free account with them and try this out for free. You use this service, it takes 5 minutes. You will have such peace of mind when you're done. Crypto taxes are easy with CoinLedger. This is my prediction for the next 70 or 80 days. As you see here, the Bitcoin halving takes place in about 69, 70 days. Mid-April, it is my opinion that after this event is behind us, it would mean that both the Bitcoin halving is behind us in about 70 days and the BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF will be behind us. Two huge Bitcoin catalysts for this cycle. My point is, it is my belief that after this happens, we will see a rotation into Ethereum. The Ethereum ETF hype alone will send Ethereum just like Bitcoin. And if you need a little peek into what the US regulators and financial infrastructure in the US, if you need a little peek into what they have planned, this makes me excited for Ethereum in America. Prometheum, the only US registered securities crypto platform, picks Ethereum as its first product. Interesting. The much debated crypto broker says it's poised to start its SEC compliant custody with Ethereum and then will soon add other names and begin a trading operation within months. Why did they pick Ethereum? Why did they pick Ethereum? They say We want to be able to service the largest market cap and most liquid token. Ethereum is the first, and there should be many more thereafter. What are you thinking? I'm thinking Solanas, the Chainlinks, the Injectives, the Cardanos. What do you think? And rest assured, my friends, we talk about Ethereum having regulatory clarity in the US and around the world, and that is a major selling point for Ethereum. I mean, the SEC has effectively conceded that Ethereum isn't a security multiple times, but left ambiguity for sure. Now, Prometheum, who lists securities, needs only reasonable belief that Ethereum is a crypto asset security to custody it. But this is my point. This is what you need to understand. SEC permitting Prometheum to custody Ethereum as a security because of its ambiguity won't make Ethereum a security. Won't make Ethereum a security. Very bullish on Ethereum this cycle, particularly because of stuff like this. I mean, this is a microcosm for what's happening in the industry at large. MetaMask adds Robinhood integration. US users will be able to fund their non-custodial wallets through Robinhood Connect. Everything is just getting connected to each other. Case in point, Multiverse X. Big win for Multiverse X, as Multiverse X blockchain data is now embedded in global internet data stream via Google's BigQuery. So Multiverse X blockchain can now be searched in Google's BigQuery. Google has deemed Multiverse X good enough at a level high enough, like they have quite a few quality blockchains, that they can add them to their big queries to make, using Multiverse X that much easier. Just like you search regular Google to unlock in-depth information on the web, you would search Google's BigQuery to find out things you need to know related to blockchains like Multiverse X. Building bridges across the tech world to bring Web 2 usability to Web 3, making blockchain data exponentially more accessible, happening on Multiverse X, visible on Google Cloud. Bybit is one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges you can use. If you're not on Bybit, I don't know what you're doing. Use our Bybit link below and have the opportunity to get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. But what I want to draw your attention to is this. Bybit is seeking and getting licensing in Hong Kong for crypto expansion. The cryptocurrency exchange submitted its license application January 31st. What we're seeing with Bybit is what we're seeing with Coinbase, is what we're seeing with Gemini. These cryptocurrency companies are getting more distributed, more decentralized, even more global. I love this little 30-second video Gemini did to kind of explain what they're doing. Again, a microcosm for what's happening in the industry. Regulation through enforcement is not the way.
We've seen that the UK seems to be a lot more forward thinking in crypto than the US, for example.
We're here because of all the great work that was laid down for hundreds of years before. And the US has that tradition too, but they're sort of fumbling it right now. And that's what we're concerned about.
Regulation through enforcement, that's not the right approach. That does not foster innovation. And it also doesn't protect consumers.
Solana suffered an outage for the first time in a while. Solana is now back live despite its 5-hour outage. Guys, there's still a lot of reason to be bullish on Solana despite its recent network outage on February 6th. Solana's price is on the rise. This is why Solana continues to do well. CoinShares investment company is reporting a significant 13.4 million in weekly inflows into Solana investment products, outpacing that of Ethereum and Avalanche. The total value locked in Solana continues to be in an uptrend, hitting 1.65 billion, signaling strong investor activity and confidence in the ecosystem. And Solana's DEX volume is number one only behind Ethereum, so I guess number two. Its significant market presence and user engagement is evident. Not to mention, after the Ethereum ETF hype, the Solana ETF hype will happen, and I've already seen it start happening. Finally, guys, big win for the people of Japan, big win for the Japanese yen, and big win for those excited about the Injective ecosystem. Helix brings Japanese yen on-chain. The tokenized yen will be backed one-to-one by Japanese yen. Helix is a decentralized exchange on Injective. It will launch the Japanese yen Forex pair on its platform, making it one of the first exchanges to introduce the yen onto the blockchain. My friends, make sure you tune in to Killer Whales. First episode of the 5-episode season premieres February 8th. Pre-order now exclusively with the Hello token at hello.one. So let me quickly explain to you the info. This show will initially come out on Hello Labs website, token gated, but very affordable. I believe it just costs a couple dollars in Hello tokens to see the first episode, or $11 in total to see season 1. If you want to be a part of the conversation at the very beginning, this is how you'd see it. However, in a few weeks to a month from now, this show will also be out on mainstream streaming services, so you have the opportunity to watch it on those as well. Either way, guys, check this out. 5 episodes with some of the biggest people in crypto being judges and some of the most interesting companies in crypto coming before the killer whale judges. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.